Hello everyone, this is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you a quick tip on how to bookmark the login page for the MLS within your desktop, as well as how to create a little app button for the MLS login on your phone. For this first example, we're going to use the desktop, specifically on our computer. And when you access your browser, what you do is you go to the very top and then you enter the address of https://miamirealtors.mysolidEarth.com/resources/enter. And as soon as you type that in to your browser, this will take you directly to the login page, and now you can bookmark it within your browser. On your keyboard, if you are a PC user, you could hit Control D, and for Mac users on your keyboard, you can hit Command D. What that will do is bring up the option to save the page directly as a bookmark. Now, by default, it will say login, but go ahead and change that. For example, you can change the name of the bookmark to MLS login page. Once done, click on Add, and you will be able to access the MLS login page directly from your bookmarks. In this next example, we're going to use an iPhone, and I want to show you how you can create the login page and then save it as a button within your phone. From there, you're going to need that same exact URL that we used earlier, the https://miamirealtors.mysolidEarth.com/resources/enter. From there, go directly into the login page. Visit the little blue square with the arrow pointing up. Give that a click. Press on that on your phone. From there, locate the section that says Add to Home Screen, and then you can name the button, for example, MLS Login. And then from there, click on Add. This will create a quick and easy accessible link so that you can log in every day directly into the MLS. Hope you found this video helpful. You can find other tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers. Thank you for watching.